In today's topic, we are going to review a soap. The soap is Elixir Lightening Soap. This particular soap, I have 2 packs of this soap. I've used one already, one is remaining half. So let's jump into it. Stay to the end to see what we are going to talk about today. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, remember to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. I really need your support and I appreciate that. Take you just a minute. Elixir Light Glutathione. This particular company, they produce so many products like body wash, cream, this soap and some other products. But in this video today, we're going to review this particular lightening soap. In my channel, I used to mostly review things I have used. So when I use something, I review it. It comes from my heart. It's come from experience. So I'm going to give you honest review of this particular soap. So stick around and keep on watching. So this soap is made by Elixir and it contains glutathione, which is good for your skin. It is lightening soap. It is made in tube. Is it lightening or not? I know that's what most of you is watching the video to know if this soap actually lightens or not. Yes, it lightens. I've used 2 packs. I know it lightens, and it is not a fast action soap lightening. It's not a soap that will give you sharp something. It's a soap that you can use and lighten yourself gradually. And the best thing about this soap, look at the color. It's pink in color. Is that it has a very nice scent. The best thing about this soap is like it gives you that glow you want, but gradually. It doesn't give you sharp results, and it has a glutathione and it's pyrolysis ×3 technology. So I would advise, if you want to use it, give it a try. Buy it. Is selling around 1,000 naira in my area. That's what they're selling. I don't know where you live, so check around. Get a cosmetic shop where you buy your product. Have 1 or 2 places you purchase your cosmetics from. Make sure it's original whenever you're buying. When you're buying it, look out for the model. It has a white model with a blue eyes. They wrote SPF 45. It has sunscreen 45%, which is good. And the soap is for face and body. It's not only for body. You can use it as your face soap also. It's paraben free and hydroquinone free, and it's lightening, proven effective. It's very effective. I must give it to them. It's working. So if you want to buy it and use it to lighten yourself, I would advise you get it. It's the instructions say apply every day on a perfectly clean skin, morning and evening. After the first use, the effect becomes visible. Your skin will be lighter and skin tone more unified. Yes, it helps in unifying your skin, and it is also not that harsh on your skin. If you have a very sensitive skin and you want to lighten yourself, this Elixir light soap is good for you. I would advise you to go and get it. If you have any reaction, you stop. Any product you're using and you see any reaction that you don't like, discontinue use. The product is good. It's a lightening soap. I've used it and it's very good. Get it today and give it a try. Bye bye.